Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well. So, I'm back for the other reading, the one about the bird flu. So, the question is, will the bird flu turn into another pandemic? All right, let's see. What can we expect? All right. So let's see the bird flu. I'm reading this as the situation in United States, and this is the rest of the world. Okay, we have the Three of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, okay, the Ace of Wands, and the Master. Let's see the other cards. Traveling. Okay, the Eight of Wands. Wands. Another Wands. The Nine of Wands, exhaustion. It's about protection, boundaries. And then we have traveling, the birds. Travel, the wild birds. The birds, the birdies. This is the Page of Cups. And Two of Pentacles. This looks good, but okay, so from these cards for United States, I could see these aces. This is new. It could be like new strains, new mutations, something like this. And the Three of Wands, this is about expansion. So we could see this as a high risk situation here. With the Master card here on top, this would be the outcome. Not sure what to make of this. It could be the authorities and their response and how they're gonna handle this whole situation. Here on the outside, you see the birds flying and then traveling and spreading this to more places. But I see protections here set in place, certain measures that need to be taken. And I like this Two of Pentacles because this means that things are under control. So from these cards, I see that there's potential danger and risk for this new thing that can emerge. But so far, it's okay. So maybe it has to do with this idea that it hasn't mutated in such a way for it to be easily transmissible from human to human. Well, let's do it again. Let's use another deck of cards. Because from these cards I'm seeing a risk. Yes, there is a risk with these aces here. New strain, new mutation or something. But so far, this Two of Pentacles, it looks okay. But let's see. Let's use these cards. And let's push it more into the future. Let's see if we can tap into what can we expect from this bird flu. Will this turn into a pandemic for humans? Oh, I'm so pissed that I got the flu. I haven't caught a cold or flu or anything like this in 15 years. except the COVID. I got COVID from my parents because they're not wearing masks. They weren't vaccinated, so they gave me COVID. But except besides COVID, in 15 years, I haven't got the flu or the cold. And now, I don't know why, for some reason, maybe it got more aggressive or something and it bypassed my immune system and it hit me really bad. Now I think I feel a bit better. I'm pissed. I'm annoyed because it broke my record. And I'm also annoyed with people not wearing masks when they know they have the flu. They just spread their spit everywhere in the snot. So we all get infected. And wearing masks has become so politicized. Is that how you say it? Politicized? Anyways, it's like they're seeing red in front of their eyes when they see you wear a mask. They stigmatize you and shame you for wearing a mask. It's so ridiculous what these brainwashing campaigns have done to people. Anti-vaxxers, anti-masks, stupidity. My own family fell for that. My mom, my dad, my brother, none of them got vaccinated for COVID. And they didn't like to wear masks. They're the Romanian version of MAGA. And I try so hard to convince them, but it's like talking to the walls. So we better hope and pray there's no new pandemic on our hands. It doesn't look very good. So let's see, what can we expect? Let's see what this card shows us. Will the bird flu turn into a pandemic? Okay. Alright, the Four of Pentacles, the Magician, the Eight of Pentacles. Let's see the outcome. The Lovers. I'm happier with this cards. With this Four of Pentacles means something it's stable, it's contained. Eight of Pentacles means like they're working on it. It's still a potential here with the Magician. And the Lovers, we could see this like a balance. And now let's see these other cards. The Sun card, the World, and the Page of Cups. This could be moment of surprise. We had the Page of Cups on this, but like it was the card with the birds. It's this card, the Page of Cups. And the Eight of Wands. We had the Eight of Wands here, the traveling. Now we have it here. So maybe the bird flu, it will spread. Because we have the Eight of Wands traveling. But maybe it will not, maybe we're lucky and it will not mutate in such a way that it will be easily transmissible from human to human. So hopefully we're lucky in that way. Let me pull a few more cards just to make sure. Temperance, yeah. So I'm not seeing disaster in these cards. The Temperance card is his balance, keeping things under control. And also I'm seeing the Lovers as a balanced type of energy. So of course I cannot give guarantees. We're just picking up on energies, maybe right now, the potential that it is right now. And from this card, it doesn't look that bad. So I'm not seeing any impending doom. Of course, the risk is still there. things can shift, but this is what I can pick up on. And with the Sun card, so usually it's a positive sign. For the world, yeah, so this is what I can see from these cards. So thank you guys for all your well wishes. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support. I appreciate all of you. So see you guys soon. Take care and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.